Let's go back to that breaking news we told you about before the break. The Supreme Court has just cleared the Trump administration to temporarily end humanitarian parole protections for 500,000 immigrants. The justices lifted these protections for migrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. Let's bring in CBS News immigration and politics reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez. Camilo, what more can you tell us about this ruling?
Hi, Mugo. This ruling will place 500,000 people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela in legal limbo and will allow the Trump administration to terminate their parole, legal status, and also their work permits that have allowed them to live and work in the U.S. legally, but on a temporary basis. These are migrants from these 4 crisis-stricken countries who were allowed to legally come to the U.S. under a Biden administration program that was designed to discourage them from crossing the U.S.-Mexico border illegally. But the Trump administration, Mugo, has argued that this policy was unlawful, that it was an abuse of this humanitarian parole policy that the Biden administration used on a very unprecedented scale, and that it needed to be terminated. And now the Supreme Court is allowing the administration to revoke that legal status and now to place these migrants at risk of deportation. The caveat is that some of these migrants, Mugo, may be able to stay here through other means because they have applied for other immigration benefits like asylum or a green card. Cubans, for example, can be eligible for permanent residency or a green card under a Cold War era law. And so those migrants will not be eligible for deportation. But anyone who does not have another immigration status can now be deported from the U.S. And the administration has made this warning very clear. If you are here illegally, you must self-deport. If not, you could face arrest and deportation from the country.
Yeah, a big ruling there from the Supreme Court affecting thousands of people. Wow, Camilo Montoya-Galvez, thank you so much for your reporting. Now let's go to CBS News legal contributor Jessica Levinson. Jessica, can you help us break down this ruling?
Yeah, and great reporting by Camilo. So what we have here is the Supreme Court granting the Trump administration's emergency request to say, pause the lower court ruling. I know it feels like I say this almost every day now, where we're talking about lower court rulings, what they say, and whether or not they will go into effect. But what we have here is a lower court, a trial court, that said that the Trump administration's attempt to terminate this parole program, that it could not go into effect while the case is being played out. The Trump administration essentially emergency appealed first up to the circuit court, then up to the Supreme Court. And what we have is the Supreme Court today saying, okay, we're going to pause that lower court decision, meaning the Trump administration's desire to end this particular program will be in effect, meaning the program is ended for now. I do want to caution that this isn't a final ruling on the merits from the trial court, from the circuit court, or from the Supreme Court.
So, Jessica, just a quick clarification for me here. Does the case then still go on? Or what's...
So, yes, it looks to me like, and of course this is a breaking news story, that the case does still go on.
Okay.
The Trump administration had argued that the case can't go on because this is not judicially reviewable, meaning that they have the power to say we're ending this program. The Trump administration had said, again, judges essentially have no particular role here. But I think this is just the Supreme Court. It looks like by 7-2, we have dissents by Justice Sotomayor and Justice Jackson, very lengthy and vigorous dissents, saying the program goes into effect for now. It could meaning the end of the program goes into effect for now. And this could be where we end up long term.
Okay, Jessica Levinson, thank you so much for helping us break that down. Appreciate it.